Today I will be demonstrating how to work with chalk pastels. The first thing that you need to do is draw out your subject matter using a pastel pencil. I chose to work with burnt sienna for the outline of my subject matter and to represent the darkest values that I see within my reference image. The reason why I chose this color is because it brings a little bit of warmth to my overall subject matter. If you look at my reference image, you'll notice that I have a lot of cool colors, so burnt sienna will help to balance this out. When shading with chalk pastel, you always begin with the darkest areas first and end with the highlights. For my image, I'm beginning with burnt sienna and then mixing in dark blue, dark purple, and bits of dark green. After I finish shading all of my dark values, I'm now working on adding in my midtones. So remember, I'm always working dark to light. Another thing that you will see me doing is I'm blending by using my chalk pastels and not my fingertips. So I'm just creating numerous layers, and every time I layer, the pastel I'm currently working with will blend the pastel layer that's underneath. After I finish blocking in large sections of my drawing with midtones, I'm ready to add highlights. If you look at my reference image, you'll notice that not only do I have very bright highlights that would be white, but I also have lighter sections of mint, blue, lime green, pink, and even a light lilac. So anytime I incorporate those lighter colors with white, they intensify one another and they become even brighter. The last step of a chalk pastel drawing is to refine the edges of your subject matter with pastel pencils. You don't want to go in and necessarily outline around the edges, but look to see where you have highlights or shadows that need to be popped out. After I finish working with pastel pencils, I compare my drawing to my reference image one last time. I want to make sure that my colors are accurate and that my highlights and my shadows are where they need to be.